Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dara. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, just know that you have my heart. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing I wanted to say quick, but I'm not sure if it's going. Of course, the end result will be quick. Whatever you end up seeing is going to be like an edited version. And anyway, so I'm just going to say quick. So I'm just going to be taking you through my makeup routine for how I film my YouTube videos, and I think I'm going to switch this to a voiceover from here. But before I go, please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, now will be the time to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, guys, and turn on your post notification. Give this video a big thumbs up. So yes, now moving on, guys, you're going to start hearing voiceover Dara. Okay guys, so I would just like to state here and now that I'm not a professional makeup artist or anything, but I'm not going to lie, there are times when I do my makeup and I'm so proud of myself. Okay, so now I'm just doing my face prep, my skin prep. I think it's also called skincare routine. Oh, look at that. So I'm using my vitamin C serum. I'd already used my toner. I'd already also cleansed my face with a foaming cleanser and washed it off. That got in my mouth. So I'm just going to be applying my vitamin C serum all over my face, you know, just to absorb some quality moisture and prep my skin basically for my makeup procedure. This is my moisturizer, and guys, this moisturizer is the truth. Amoke Skincare, it's Nigerian made, a woman brand. triple love it. Okay, so now my face is feeling quite moisturized and smooth and nourished. Okay, now I'm going in with my sunscreen. Never ever forget your sunscreen. Okay, even if you're doing your makeup, guys, always apply your sunscreen as the last layer of your skincare routine before you go in with your products. So guys, I'm going in now with my plastic primer, and I'm just going to be putting that on areas where I produce the most oil. That's my forehead and the two sides of my nose. Now I'm going in with my foundation, and I'm mixing two shades because I earlier got one of the shades wrong, so I had to go for a lighter shade just so that my foundation tone is much more closer to my actual skin color. This particular brush I'm using, let me just say that I made a mistake and I didn't like the result it gave me exactly, because this was an old foundation brush I used to use. It's been a while I did my makeup, so I wasn't so used to it anymore. Anyway, we're gonna flow with it. Now I'm going in with my Beauty Line by DD 2-in-1 pencil. It has the spoolie, that's the brush, and it has the pencil area to outline my brows. I'm brushing that up first just so you know, see the angle that I'm going to follow to outline and draw under and on top of my brows. I am short-sighted, guys, hence why I switched the mirror, and at a point I switched to a smaller mirror and even noticed that I was covering the camera frame. But my girlies who want to pick something up from this are going to. Okay, so now, like I said, I'm outlining my brows. So you just want to follow the shape of your brows. If your brows are not shaped, you might want to get professional help with that. Okay, so I'm brushing up. I'm using my pencil to, you know, pull little hairs at the edge of my brows so it looks as natural as possible. I'm going back in with my spoolie, that's the eyebrow brush, and you know, just to give it some smooth look. Now I'm mixing these two shades of LA Girl Pro Concealer in Turn and Toffee to kind of, you know, clean out the under of my brows and give it like a more defined natural look, and also so my eyebrow bone pops. Okay, so this is the brush that I should have gone in earlier on with my foundation, and well, now I'm using it. Better late than never. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to be, you know, cleaning out the concealer under my brows, and I'm going with a deeper shade of concealer in Turfy to clean on top of my brows. I'm using a deeper shade because it helps, you know, it sink in. By the time I kind of blend it out, it sinks in with my foundation and my skin as well. I don't want on top of my brows looking too white or having flashbacks or looking unclean or shabby. I want it as natural as possible. I brushed that up a little bit just to, you know, maintain that natural look, and then I'm going in with my foundation brush just to smooth things out around my eyebrow and make, you know, my concealer sink and disappear into my skin. Dancing here and vibing because I'm a vibing girl. Going in with those two shades of concealer now to highlight under my eyes. I'm going to be using the lighter shade in my inner eyes corner and the darker shade on the outer corner, and blending from outside to inside. So blending from the darker shade to the inside corner of my eyes, just so it looks like something went on there, so my eyes can pop. When you guys see me, you know that this makeup is looking very, very nice. So now I'm going on top of the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin, just to give you like a more defined look. To be honest, guys, I don't think I really need this so much. I mean, I need it, but not so much product. But I'm just going to be following this process for the sake of my girlies who are round faced or just need a more defined face while doing their makeup. I'm dancing and vibing, now changing my music because the music has to be right. Okay, so just checking my face to make sure everything is sitting well. Going in now with my Morph palette. Love this palette. And I'm going to be going in with my black eyeshadow color mixed with a little bit of brown, popping off the excess, and then I'm going in on the outer corner of my eyelid to form a little bit of like a triangle. That is the way you want to go when you're doing the outer lid of your eyeshadow base. That's the darker colors most times. So I'm just forming like a triangle shape, if you see, and then I'm going in with a lighter shade. It's kind of creamish, nudish, very light pink, very light pink in the inner corner, just so it blends well with the chocolate brown at the edge of my eyelids, and it gives it like a very more defined look. It also, if you can see, it makes it look like I have a bigger eyeball, which is very cute, I think. So now I'm going in with this Kajal pencil, just to draw, I think it's Kajal line. To be honest, guys, I'm so out of practice, but yeah, we all know what this line is. It makes your eye look more defined. It gives it like this pop. And I'm doing that just in the inner corner, just to like form a very sharp look, so my eye looks very neat. Going to be cleaning that a little bit. We make mistakes, guys, so I cleaned that a little bit with concealer. Now I'm going in with this inner eyelid pencil, just to line my inner eyes, my tear ducts as well. So I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me light powder to sort of first set my face before I go in with an actual setting powder. This help me avoid flashback and also gives me a smooth base for the Sacha Buttercup powder, which I am now applying on my face. So this is my setting powder. I honestly should get a different shade, but I lost the former one. I don't even know where that is anymore. Going in with this contour palette, so to say, with the darker shades of browns, to give my face a more defined look. And I was so happy when I found this shade the day I found this, because I'm quite dark skinned, and for this to actually work for my skin, as you can see, it's giving my face a more defined look, and it's making us look like some Nigerian Kylie Jenner out here. Okay, so yeah, I kind of just use that in the areas where needed, and then I'm going in with this blush on top of my cheeks. Smile a little bit, just so when I actually smile, it looks like I'm blushing a little bit. I mean, they say black girls don't blush, but that's their business. I blush if I want to blush, okay? So now I'm going in with mascara, and then I'm going in with this Kiss Me Beauty setting spray to sink that in. I use setting spray a lot when I'm doing my makeup. I'm never ever stingy with my setting spray. Now it's time to put some glue on my eyelashes. I had a lot of long eyelashes at home. I'd finished the set of medium to short, and I had to make do. I'm not really a long eyelash kind of girl. I like my makeup looking as natural as possible, but I think this still worked at the end of the day. So I'm blowing some air on that so it quickly dries. In a hurry, I need to film content and go out as well. Going in with my classic makeup powder, my face powder, just to smooth out things on my face, make sure there are no harsh lines. Now going in with this eye shadow pencil and getting some of those contour powder that I used for my cheeks earlier to set and define my nose. Spraying some of that beauty spray on my brush, just to smooth out things again on my face and make it look as natural, smooth, and no harsh lines. That's what we're going for. I'm now going in with some highlighter bronzer, just to make my cheek shine shine bright like a diamond. So yeah, I'm doing that on my forehead. I'm going to do that on my chin as well. And you know, girl has to glow. This glow has to be preserved. Okay, now doing that to my inner tear duct. That's the inner part of my eyes. I really love this step, guys, because it kind of gives my basic eyeshadow look. It gives it a pop of glow and color. Now blending that in with my classic face powder, just so everything sits properly. Guys, we need to learn how to do our makeup this year. That's the whole point of this video. Going in with some more setting spray, because like I said, I'm never stingy with my setting spray. Looks like I got the first eye lash ready, so I'm just going to be fixing that in. I start usually from the middle, place it on the middle, and then fix the ends, the two ends, so that it stays put all day long. Now going in with these two combination lip glosses, lipstick. One is from Beauty Line by Didi. I love that lip gloss, and the other is from Classic. It's the lighter shade. So I outline my lips with like a brown pencil by Davis, I think in color 3, just to give it a more defined look. And then I go in with the Beauty Line by Didi lip gloss. It makes my lip look so lush and plump. So I just sort of put that all over the outlines, you know, pencil areas, and then I blend that out a little bit with this brush for my lips. Guys, we need to learn how to do our makeup. No unnecessary spending of money on makeup this year. Makeup artists will get their dues, will patronize them when necessary, but really there are times when we can do without going to the makeup studio to get our makeup done. I went into my inner lips with the lighter shade of lip gloss from Classic, and as you can see, that kind of gave me like an ombre lip situation going on right there. Now blending again with my face powder. The two things I always do is blend with my face powder and keep using setting spray. I don't abuse it, but I use it generously though. So now guys, I'm done, and it's back to Dara's voice. All right, so guys, I'm now done with my makeup. Oh, I'm done, but I'm not done. Be right back. Let me put on my wig so that we can slay fully. 1 second. Okay guys, I've gone to put on my wig, and I think I look like a babe that I am. Okay, if you know you loved this video, if you enjoyed it, you know you're going to be more inspired to do your makeup by yourself. You know, even if it's just a little bit of makeup to work or to church or to, you know, even functions and occasions, you know, glam like this, do let me know in the comment section. I did my skincare routine just to prep my skin for my makeup to be able to sink in well. If you know you want a skincare routine, I don't think I've ever done that, but if you know you want that, my things are usually always you know, affordable on a budget, but always give the desired result. So if you know you like to see my makeup routine, my skincare routine, please do let me know in the comment section. If you are here to see a tour of my filming studio, please click here. I'm going to link it. I think I linked it earlier as well, so you can watch, catch up, and you know, just see my space and obviously get a feel of the content that I'm about to give you all this year. I have my mirror here guys, and this mirror is so cute. I mean, check my studio tour to know where I got this mirror from, but I can't stop looking at myself because I look cute. I look so beautiful. I'm feeling myself. So yes guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a very big thumbs up. Please like my video. Those that like the videos before watching, you already know how we do it. God bless you for me. Okay, all right guys, till next time, till my next videos, I'm going to see you guys, and I hope you stay blessed and continue to be yourself, your fabulous self. Bye guys.
Thank you.